how to add headers and footers to your PowerPoint presentation. Firstly, make sure you have your PowerPoint presentation open on your screen. Next, we're going to navigate to the Insert tab, which you can readily find at the top main menu. Once you've clicked on Insert, a menu will appear. You'll want to look for the Header and Footer option. Go ahead and click on it. Now you'll see a dialog box cropping up. You should see two tabs at the top labeled Slide and Notes and Handouts. For this tutorial, we're focusing on adding headers and footers to slides, so please ensure Slide tab is selected. Great! Now you should see several options. In the Date and Time box, you have the option to select a format you prefer. You can show the current date or set a fixed one, depending on your needs. When you've made your choices, the final step is to click on the Apply or Apply to All button, depending whether you want to add the header and footer to one slide or all slides in your presentation. And that's it.